Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl with high altitude package, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, heated steering wheel, 3,000 miles on the odometer, parallel and perpendicular park assist with stop, navigation, remote start system, quadra-lift air suspension, panoramic sunroof, hands-free power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10674A.